crew? Today we will get Pokemon TCG Pocket free crap. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys. As you can see, the Pokegold is low, but today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get free Pokegold in 2026. So let me just turn it on right here, and now that the Pokegold was activated, it should start to go up. So let's see if our Pokegold goes up, and then I'm going to show you how to get this Pokemon TCG Pocket free Pokegold tutorial. So as you can see, it is stuck at, yeah, it's increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So let's get into the video. It's super cool. So yeah, it fully works, guys. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So it's pretty easy. Just go to matrixmods.com, find the Pokemon TCG mod, press download, and then the last step is the verification. So what we're going to have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and once we do that, we're going to be rich. So I'm going to wait for it to load, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to load, and now it's going to say missing files. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps. They're all free. So like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. I could do Travel Town, which says reach level 9. You know, Family Island says reach level 10. This one's a game. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys, and then you should get the Pokemon TCG Pocket free Pokegold tutorial mod. And you can see all the settings in here, which is super cool. You got like all these tools. You got Shiny Hack. So yeah, this is crazy, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself if you're broke in Pokemon TCG Pocket, because this actually works today. 2026 approved, guys. Super insane. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but if you want to get rich on Pokemon TCG Pocket, you got to try this out right now. Fully working method, guys. I'm going to see you guys later, though. So subscribe to the channel, but make sure you go to settings and turn on the background refresh. This can really help you out. Another thing you could do is make sure the low power mode is turned off. So that's another problem. So make sure that's off. And once you do those things, the Pokemon TCG Pocket should download the mod, and you can press help to watch this if you need more people to give you advice.